sucks. Hit my thumb with a hammer, missed the nail by a mile. Saw stars in the daylight, didn't laugh, didn't smile. Coffee on my clean shirt, 5 minutes to go. Step in something squishy, yep, you already know. Every day's a lottery and I didn't win much. The universe just leans in and says, hey, wanna feel this punch? Well, that sucks, yeah, that really sucks. Door slammed on my hand, guess I'm fresh out of luck. Life shrugs its shoulders, says try your best, then kicks you in the teeth and laughs at the mess. Well, that sucks. What else can you say? Just another perfect disaster of a day. Car won't start in the driveway, late for everything. Phone slips out my pocket, does a screen-shattering fling. Close the car door too fast, yeah, my hand was still there. Now I'm hopping around, yelling words I can't share. Every plan I ever made just fell apart again. Feels like fate's got a dartboard and my name's on the pin. See it coming, but I sure feel it real. Slip on the ice, hear a sound that ain't right. Doctor says good news cast for 6 weeks, alright. Signing my name with my wrong side hand, dropping everything I try to stand. Some days you win, some days you crawl, some days you trip just walking down the hall. You shake your head, you laugh it off. If you didn't laugh, you just lose it all. Well, that sucks, yeah, that really sucks. From busted bones to breakdown trucks, life's got a sense of humor, twisted at best, always saving the worst for the stress test. Well, that sucks, but I'm still here, bruised and bent, but not disappearing. So raise a glass to the days gone wrong, to the aches, the pains, and the swearing songs. If it hurts and you're stuck and you're out of luck, just sigh real deep and say, yeah, well, that sucks.